Hello, for some of you who don't know me, my name is Uzo. My full name is Uzoma, and I'm the author of Igbo Voices, Hidden Wisdom from the Ancient Language. So this is the book, Igbo Voices, Hidden Wisdom. And this book deals, of course, with ancient language. And you know, this language is a verb-based language. It's a very interesting language. I consider it very amazing. So in this language, you say something like "Igogo," which means to console a baby. So when a baby is crying, somebody could say "Gogo anwa." So the verb there is "gogo." "Nwa" is the word for baby. So when you take the baby and rock the baby, when you're rocking a baby like this, it's gogo. That's the verb gogo. And what this book is saying is that they took that verb gogo and used it to create a word for lungs, which is ngogo. So gogo and ngogo. Because the lungs are here to console us. Of course, if you can't breathe in this oxygen, you will be what? Jittery. You will panic. And so it's very, very straightforward. It's telling you gogo is used to create the word ngogo, which is lungs. And of course, a baby, when the baby is born, they cry, and when they take in oxygen, it's like a kind of relief, because now they can take in oxygen. So the next word we want to look at is the word kulu. So we'll go back to baby again. So if you come and visit someone, they say kulunwa, which means carry a baby. Okay? So what do they mean by that, kulunwa? All right? Now, if I had a stone, we don't say kulu okute. That word kulu means carry. So we don't say kulu okute, we say bulu okute, because bulu is also carry. We change the word. We use the word kulu when we talk about a baby, because we're not just carrying the baby, we are embracing the baby, we're making the baby part of us. So when they tell you to carry a baby, they are trying to make you be familiar with that baby. I mean, they want the baby to be familiar with you. They want both of you to interact. So they use that word kulu also in breath, because they want you to what? Take in this breath. They want you to be part of the breath, to embrace the breath. So the word for breathing, kulume, is like embracing the breath. So you are taking in the breath. And the word breath, ume, is also energy. So you are like embracing energy. So breathing is energy embrace. So I'm here like in this park, and we're here in the park, of course. And the park is a very good place to embrace energy. There are trees here and everything. So once more, the book is Igbo Voices, Hidden Wisdom from an Ancient Language. And I'm Dr. Uzoma Nwosu, and I hope to speak to you. I hope your life will be enriched by this book. Thank you.